Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to Driving with John Chow. I want to continue my little discussion about affiliate marketing promotion, affiliate marketing offers, and give you more insight and more tips about how to do it properly. And today I want to talk about a type of affiliate offer that is not favorite, but it's up there, something that I do promote, and you may not know about it. So this will be another one of those like little secret type of driving with John Chow. So the offer is called the lead gen offer, and the lead gen offer is it's unique. And well, what it basically is you are helping the advertiser to get leads. And generally what that means is you are getting the email address for the advertiser. So what you do is you send the traffic to a landing page where the advertiser is the offer, say, hey, enter your email address and we'll send you this. That's basically it. So instead of you building your own email list, you're helping someone else build their email list. And that's a lead gen offer. So the payment is generally ranges from $1 to $2 per lead that you submit. So when you get someone to submit their email address, you will make up to $2. Yeah, up to $2 or more. That depends on the offer, but generally up to $2. Now, you might ask the question, well, why would I help someone else build an email list when I should be building my own email list? Now, that's a good question. And the answer is you don't. Now, this type of offer is only for if you already have an established list or an established site, because this is incremental income. Do not use a lead gen offer as your main income source, because you won't make any money on it, because the advertiser is paying what the advertiser is paying, like $1 or $2, is generally what it would cost the advertiser himself to get their own lead. So in other words, if they're giving you $2 per lead, it's costing them $2 per lead using their own marketing method. And odds are, it's costing you, to get your own. When I track how much it costs me to get a lead to my own site, it's about pretty close to what I can get if I were to run a lead gen offer. So it's not for if you want to make money from it. Odds are you're probably gonna lose money or break even. But if you already have a list, this is good incremental income, because if you can find a lead gen offer that is offering the same type of stuff similar to you, you could send it to your list and say, hey, check out these guys. They might have something that you're interested in. You send them to the page, and they ask them, submit your email. So they submit the email, and you make $2. All right, so you can see that it's a pretty easy and quick way to bring in some fast cash. Your hot date, you need some cash for tonight, you need to spend some money. And so I would do is I would find a lead gen offer and say, hey guys, check this out. It's free, and you may like it, because you're interested in my stuff, you might be interested in their stuff. Here's a link. They go link, they go, and they read it, enter the email, boom, $2. Right. So it's a good way to make some nice incremental income, but it is not to make money from, because if you're just trying to make money off a lead gen using your promotion, like if you want to spend money, I'm gonna spend money and send this to the lead gen offer and make $2 per lead, and you're not gonna make money, because you're getting $2 per lead. Also, it's gonna cost you $2 just to get that lead, right? So or more, and in which case it's not. But if you already have a list of, say, 10, 20, 100,000 names, right, and you want to make incremental income like this, a lead gen offer should not be your main offer. It's just like an offer for you to make, skim the top, make additional gravy money, additional or flash money, but not your main offer. It's just an incremental offer you can do to augment and fill out the rest of your promotion. Right, now, how do you get lead gen offer? They're tougher to get into. They're like front-loaded offer. And they're a lot tougher to get because, again, the potential fraud. You see that. What to prevent an unscrupulous affiliate from saying, hey, I'm going to submit a bunch of fake email addresses and make $2. Right? So you can imagine that because of this fraud potential, the advertiser is going to be looking for a quality affiliate that they can trust and they know. So two-step. First of all, you need to find the affiliate network that has lead gen offers. And to start you off, I'll give you 3. There's ClickBooth, clickbooth.com. They have lead gen offers. There is CPA Way, cpaway.com. That's another one. They also have lead gen offers. And Peerfly, peerfly.com. So those 3 should start you off. So you need to get approved from those networks first. That's the first step. It's a 2-step process. So those networks have to approve you, and then the individual lead gen offer themselves needs to approve you. So getting approved from ClickBooth or CPA Way or Peerfly is just the first step. Then you need to find the lead gen offers inside those networks and apply to them individually, and then they need to approve you, and then you can run the offer. Okay? But once you get approved, it's a pretty good way to generate additional money from your lists and make incremental income. So there you go. That's the lead gen offer. And I guess think of it as something down the road you can use after you build and establish yourself, establish your list. Like, you got your main offer that's gonna make you the main money, and this is additional gravy money, flash money, weekend, let's go to the club and make it rain money. All right. JohnShop@JohnShop.com. I hope you enjoyed that, got some value from it, learned something new. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share this video. It helps me a lot. And if you're brand new here, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.